back in my day, men didn't clean things. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to use Barkeeper's Friend because our sink is disgusting and dirty, and you know, you should be doing this once a week, once every 2 weeks, something like that, because otherwise you get fruit flies, you get nastiness in it and things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend. This is great for stainless steel sinks. It's great for outdoors, barbecue grills, all those sorts of things as well. Pans, bathrooms, it's great for all of those things. So we're going to sprinkle a pretty healthy amount in here. Make sure our sink gets nice and clean. And it's powder, so you don't want to inhale it. You want to use gloves, so I'm doing both. Then you're going to want to get this kind of in a paste, so you're going to get a little bit wet. Don't run your water, because it'll just go down the drain. You're going to get a little bit wet, and then let it kind of sit in for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to scrub everything clean, get really good underneath the lip of your counter if you have an inset like we do here, and then get around where your garbage disposal is, which is usually the nastiest spot. Okay, so I try to scrub it really, really good. I use Scrub Daddy, of course. I'm using that right now. So I rinse it every once in a while to get it pretty good. The hardest part is really getting up underneath the edge here, because that always gets kind of grimy from splashes and things like that. So get underneath that edge really good. And then I leave it sit for about 10 minutes. I clean everything else that my wife tells me to clean in the kitchen while I'm here, you know, so I do that work. 10 minutes goes by pretty quick when you're doing other things. So that's it, and then we're gonna give it a really good rinse, and we'll probably take some Dawn when we're done and just give it a good rinse after the fact as well. And that's it, and then you'll have a super clean sink. Okay, so as you can see, I got it nice and scrubbed up. Scrub Daddy's he's getting abused today. So he's probably unhappy. There we go. He's angry Scrub Daddy today. So as you can see, it's nice and clean. Again, I used my gloves, so please don't comment negatively that I didn't, because I did. And then, it's going to take me a little bit, but I'm going to get this sink really good and cleaned out, rinsed out. So, get all up underneath the lip of that. I always use paper towel at the end too, just to, you know, get that last bit of grime if you missed it in a crack or crevice somewhere. Maybe the next thing I should do is figure out how to clean out my garbage disposal, because it looks like it's not draining as quickly as I want it to. But you'll see once we get going here, I'm gonna... it's just soap. There we go. Okay. There we go. Couple of last minute spots in it, but you can see Barkeeper's Friend is really, really good on stainless steel. It takes out some of the scratches you get from pans and things like that as well. It takes those kind of scratches out as well, so it's really kind of nice. So there's that part. So, like I said, I'm going to quickly give it a once over with some Dawn. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do is really give it a good drying. We've got some paper towels all around my sink. I like to get it all... Anything that when you clean with chemicals or any kind of thing like this, Barkeeper's Friend or whatever it may be, I try to make sure to get it all kind of rinsed down really, really well, because it does have stuff in it, right? So it's not chemical free, and that's how you get things as clean as they do. But sometimes the natural stuff with things like stainless steel and things like that are really hard to get as clean. And then you run the other risk of having bacteria or something else in your food, which, you know, you got to kind of pick your poisons here. Here we go, nice and wiped down. And I would argue that that's probably one of the cleanest sinks you've seen. Ta-da! Here we go. Okay, so that's it. So Barkeeper's Friend, stainless steel sink, Scrub Daddy. This one doesn't take very long. You can get this knocked out in 5-6 minutes. Obviously you want to wait, let it sit in, so maybe 10 minutes. But at the end, Barkeeper's Friend does a great job of cleaning your stainless steel kitchen sink. We'll see you next time. Subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome. I'll keep trying to do videos. Give me some recommendations as well. Like, what do you want to see me clean? And I'll do it for you. So it's kind of like dirty jobs, but different.